Yasar Production House.
Hello, Namaste guys. Today I am going to some review about the Mr. Arnab Goswami who had spoke about the political issue, the map of Nepal, which has issued recently due to the Kala Pani and Limpiadura issue. And when I see the interview, he had taken different portions of Nepal and India. I didn't like way of taking interview, taking views of different people. First of all, I would like to say something. This is personally my personal view, so I don't want to target anyone, anybody. This is just my view, what I felt when I see that video. When I look at that video, being a Nepali girl, I feel very guilt. The way he speak to the Mr. Minendra Rizal, he speak at the louder voice, insulting voice. He didn't even give a single chance to speak him smoothly. He just dominating in the way of speaking. He don't even give a single chance to speak him. When Mr. Minendra Rizal start to spoke about the views and the statement what Nepal thinks about the political map, and then the Mr. Goswami directly interfere about the points. He just interrupt about the things. We all know that the show is of Mr. Arnab Goswami, the platform is of Goswami, and the people are of Mr. Goswami. I mean the Indian peoples are over there. The show is his show. He called the different peoples. That is the I appreciate him in the case that he take the views of the he wants to take the views of both parties. But I think that he just only shows that he wants to take the views of the different parties, but from the inner side of his heart, he just want to take the views of the Indian parties. Looking at the conversation, it doesn't seem that he wants to even listen the views of Nepali peoples. He wants to listen the view of Mr. Minendra Rizal, the voice of the every Nepalese. Suddenly, when the Mr. Minendra Rizal wants to talk, wants to give his review, he suddenly interrupts, saying no, yes, what? I just want to stop you. Time to time. I just feel aggressive with the way of taking his interview, taking the views of the people. What kind of interview is that? I just feel ashamed of taking the interview of the people, and I'm just feeling funny the way he's speaking, the way he's insulting other people. What do they feel? I don't know what they think. I think the Indian people were feeling happiness because the Arnab Goswami just don't let to speak the Nepalese people. They cannot speak. They cannot expose their problems. But in our views, we didn't feel happy. He just welcomed people in his platform, in his show, and don't even give a single chance to explain what had happened, what is in their mind, what is in the Nepalese people mind, what is the issue and what they think, what Indian people thinks and what Nepalese people think. But the thing is that the Arnab Goswami is just keeping his personal views, what he knows and what is right, what is wrong. He's just explaining by himself. If he had to explain by himself only, then why he need to take the two parties of two countries? So I just want to suggest Mr. Arnab Goswami. I'm not a perfect person, but seeing that review, I just want to tell him that just improve your tone, improve your politeness, how to speak to the people. We know you are the greater country than us. India is the greater country. We all know, all the world knows that Nepal is the smallest country of beautiful nature. But it doesn't mean you are the bigger country than us. You should have the louder voice to us. This is the kind of violence that you doesn't even let us to speak, let us to explain our problem, and just welcome us and just don't let us to speak. What kind of welcome is that? What kind of system is that? I just feel amazed. And when he just wants to speak, when just Minendra Rizal wants to speak, he just interrupt time to time. We all guys can see that. I could also tell this all this in Nepali language, but I would like to speak in English language because the conversation over there in English language just make me sad. He doesn't even let Minendra Rizal let to speak, and that make me so hyper. So I'm telling this. And Mr. Goswami also tell that Chinese ne uksaya aur aapne ye sab kiya. What do you think that the Nepalese people doesn't have the mind, doesn't have the sense that what is right and what is wrong? one thing you keep in your mind, small countries are just for small. Don't think that. Small countries have also brain. We are Gorkhas, we are always powerful. We know that you are greater countries than us. It doesn't mean that you should interrupt the small countries. If you have the good friendship, then you should protect. You should also listen what is the problem. You should not hamper other countries, border countries. You should listen to the problem first of all. And Mr. Arnab Goswami is just telling one-sided views of Indian people, one-sided views of Indian people. I just amazed of seeing his style of speaking, just speaking one way. Indian people think that. What is the Nepalese people think? What is the benefit of welcoming the Mr. Minendra Rijal in the program? Is there? If you don't even let him to speak. And the next thing about the Arnab Goswami, I know you are the powerful media person, but it doesn't mean that you will always, when you don't improve your speaking way, you will be the powerful media person in the eyes of the Indian peoples. But it doesn't mean when you don't speak the positive points, you don't speak the truth point, it doesn't mean all people will support you. When you speak the truth point, when you go through the good way, you listen to the views of the people, will also support you. It doesn't tell that you will that. And the next thing, you said that Chinese Yorkshire, we're the small country. It doesn't mean that we listen to the bigger countries and go through that. You think that, you Indian people think that we are the small countries, we are the cut of other countries, we are the self-dependent. जे भन्छ थोरै खान्छन् तर आफैले खान्छन्. And the sharing nature also. And हामीलाई चाइनिजले उक्साउन जरुरत नै छैन. हामी भनेको आफ्नो पौरखमा रमाउने मान्छे हो, अरूमा भर पर्ने मान्छे हैन. स्वाभिमान भनेको भन्ने कुरा के हो भने त्यो कुरा नेपालीलाई भन्दा बढी अरु कसैलाई थाहा छैन होला. अनि त्यस्तो स्वाभिमानी नेपालीलाई चाइनिजको थ्रुबाट चलेको भन्ने, हामी चाइनिज थ्रुबाट चलेको, हामी कसैबाट चलेको हैन. बट दैट इज आवर ल्यान्ड, त्यो हाम्रो जमिन हो फ्रम द हिस्टोरिकल भ्यू, एन्ड वी आर जस्ट टेकिङ आवर राइट. अनि हामीले आफ्नो राइटको बारेमा, आफ्नो अधिकारको बारेमा बोल्न खोज्दा तिमीहरूलाई उक्सायो, तिमीहरूले पहिला बोलेनौ भन्नु एउटा वेट बिनाको कुरा मात्रै हो. हामी आफैमा जब हामी आफैमा भोइस छ त हामीलाई किन अरूको भोइसको आवश्यकता पर्छ? हो, सपोर्टको आवश्यकता पर्छ, हरेक कन्ट्रीलाई पर्छ, तर सत्यको लागि लड्न हरेकले सक्नुपर्छ. बिकज इट्स द 21st century and there are so many countries except India shouldn't think that we are only one and we can do anything to Nepal because that is the smaller country in the border side. We can whenever we like we can export import the things. Whenever we like we can block all of the things. Whenever we like we would torture the Nepal. Whenever we like we will open all the borders. That is not the way. We are also seeing your activities. We are also not the blind one. We are also observing you, how friendly you are to us and how friendly you are not. The one thing is over there, that is said over there, elephant भनिन्छ नि, हात्तीको देखाउने दाँत एउटा अनि खाने दाँत एउटा हो. भारतले नेपालसँग गरेको चाहिँ मलाई त्यस्तै नै लाग्छ है. That is my personal view. And then the point of the Manisha कोइरालाले जे बोल्नु एकदम ठिक बोल्नु, किनभने मनिषा कोइरालाको मदरल्यान्ड चाहिँ नेपाल. अनि कसैको जहिले पनि मदरल्यान्डलाई आपत पर्छ पनि हरेक छोराछोरीले बोल्नु कर्तव्य हो. तपाईले त यस्तो कुरा गर्नुभयो जस्तो कि तपाईँ इन्डियन मान्छे अमेरिकामा बसेर काम गर्नुहुन्छ अनि अमेरिकन र इन्डियन इस्यु पर्छ भने तपाईले अमेरिकाको सपोर्ट लिनुपर्छ भन्ने जस्तो कुरा भयो. तपाईले बिगर कन्ट्री हुनुहुन्छ भने किन डराउनुहुन्छ मनिषा कोइरालाले सपोर्ट लियो भने? हो, लिन्छ, मान्छेको पर्सनल भ्यूज हो, ओपिनियन हो, लिन पाइन्छ, आफ्नो पर्सनल भ्यूज हो. मनिषा कोइरालाले ओपिनियन दिनमा तपाईलाई त्यस्तो गाह्रो नि, तपाईँ त किनभने बिगर कन्ट्री. अनि तपाईले जुन ठाउँमा, आई जस्ट वान्ट टु टेक द पोइन्ट अफ द मिस्टर दीपक राजगिरी टोल्ड दैट तपाईँ जुन ठाउँमा काम गर्नुहुन्छ नि त्यो ठाउँको मानिसले तपाईँ बोस भन्नुहुन्छ न कि आफ्नो बुवा. सेम थिङ ह्यापन टु द मनिषा कोइरालाले भारतमा गएर काम गर्नुभयो, आफ्नो करियर बनाउनु भयो. वान वेमा तपाईँलाई पनि बेनिफिट छ, किनभने तपाईँको फिल्म इन्डस्ट्रीलाई माथि उठाउने काम पनि एक वेमा मनिषा कोइरालाले गर्नुभएको. तपाईँहरू मान्नुहोस् या नमान्नु. सो मनिषा कोइरालाले आफ्नो मदरल्यान्डको सपोर्टमा बोल्नु, त्यो पनि सत्य कुरामा बोल्नु भएको छ. कुनै गलत कुरा हुन्थ्यो भने वी विल अल्सो नट सपोर्ट द मनिषा कोइराला. सो द्याट इज द नो पोइन्ट. अनि तपाईँले भनेको कुरा भारत का खाया तो भारत का ही पोषना पड़ेगा. That doesn't make a sense. This is 21st century. You are just saying that हमारा खाया हमारा ही करो, कोई बोलने का हक नहीं, कुछ सुनने का हक नहीं, बस हमारा ही करो, हमारी गुलामी करते रहो. That doesn't make a sense. We all have right to speak. And the next thing, Lipu Lake Limpuadura. Watch, always are and always will be. हाम्रो पछि आउने सन्तानले, हाम्रो छोरा नातिहरूले पनि यो भन्नुहुन्न कि त्यो हाम्रो ल्यान्ड थियो अनि यस्तो भयो भने. तपाईलाई जतिको आफ्नो ल्यान्डको माया लाग्छ, we love to. हामीलाई पनि माया लाग्छ. And about the Nepali political parties, you said that in the Nepali political parties there were the all people who killed many people and they are ruling the government now. Yes, we are also not satisfied much more about the political parties. When they told about the right things, they spoke about the right things. right about the borders issues, about the good point, we all support them. We know that we aren't growing up. Our country is not growing up that much that should be. It should be grown up. But doesn't mean that we scold our political parties whenever they did good as well. राम्रो काम गर्दा त हामीले गाली गर्ने हैन नि. And then why you are always connecting Chinese government with us? Why you are always connecting Chinese government? You Indian medias are just bullshit. What you are saying that Nepal is a small country, so need help. Why we need help? तपाईहरुको नजरमा हामी के गर्न सक्दैनौं? We also can. Country is small but the people are not weak. So please don't insult. Let people raise their voice about the truth. Don't make wrong statement through the media. Don't raise your louder voice in the media. Prove wrong with right. किनभने सत्य सत्य नै हुन्छ. सत्यमेव जयते भन्ने तपाईलाई थाहा नै होला. जब थाहा छ भने किन बिर्ने? So right is right, wrong is wrong. Media कर्मीले पनि ठुलो साउन्डमा चिच्याएर कराएर it doesn't prove that. It just prove that you are the bigger countries with the less manners. So learn the manners. जय नेपाल. And we are always friends and we will always be. मेरो भनाइ यति मात्रै हो कि दुवै देशको कुरा सुन्ने गरौँ. जसरी अर्णव गोस्वामीले दुई पक्षको कुरा नसुनेर एकहोरो बोलिराख्नु भएको थियो नि, त्यो कुरा मलाई मन परेको हैन. बस म त्यति भन्न खोजेको. एन्ड जे जति कुरा छ नि चाइनिज लोकसाय भन्ने कुरा, द्याट इज रङ. मनिषा कोइरालाले बोल्नु भएको कुरा, द्याट इज राइट. उहाँलाई मन पर्यो, उहाँ बोल्न पाउनुहुन्छ. जो पनि बोल्न पाउँछ, म पनि बोल्न पाउँछु. एन्ड लिपुलेख लिम्पियादेर द्याट इज अलवेज आवर. एन्ड त्यो हाम्रो नै हो र हाम्रो नै रहन्छ. नेपाली पोलिटिकल पार्टिज राम्रो काम गर्दा पनि विरोध गर्ने हामी त्यस्तो जनता होइन. नराम्रो काम गर्दा विरोध गर्छौं. हो, हाम्रो कन्ट्रीले त्यति राम्रो गति लिन सकेको छैन, तर सधैँ त्यही गति रहन्छ भन्ने पनि छैन. त्यही हाम्रो पोलिटिकल इस्टाब्लिश नभएको कारणले अरू देशले हामीलाई हस्तक्षेप गरोस्, त्यो हामीलाई मन पर्दैन. किनभने हामी पनि राम्रो मौकाको अवसरको कुरामा हुन्छौँ कि हाम्रो देश पनि डेभलप हो. साथीत्वको भावना राखेर अगाडि बढ्नुहुन्छ भने हो. अरू कुरा त्यस्तै हो. बिगर कन्ट्री हुनुहुन्छ, बिगर म्यानर्स सिक्नुस् अनि प्रोग्राममा बोलाउँदा राम्रोसँग बोल्नुस्. दुवै पार्टीको भ्यूज सुन्नुस् अनि त्यसरी नै अगाडि बढ्नुस्. हस्, नमस्ते.